So let's talk about this house in LaBelle. It's for $279,900. The reason why I like this house is because we're talking about a nice community that's out in LaBelle. A little bit of get more bang for your buck with a nice new starter home, but gorgeous features. I mean, look at these floors. But here's why I like it. Go down to the bottom. This isn't the greatest picture. I'm sure I can probably find a better picture online of the community pool, but they just have an aerial map shot. But the reason why I like this house is because for under 300,000 or 279, you're getting a community pool that you get to enjoy. And yeah, it's $180 annual HOA fee. So that's awesome. So yeah, and then look at the great backyard. You could really jazz this up and do something really cute, a Key West kind of vibe with, like a little tiki bar or something I'm picturing out there. Or maybe even put in your own pool eventually, or you could do an above ground pool very easily. But it's got the community pool. I love this kitchen. I love this flooring. I just can picture just, enjoying that space. With your little a fruity drink at the end of the day and having some fun, sit at the little bar here and hang out with some friends or, just, I don't know. There's lots of possibilities here. So great house, 279, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, community pool. This is a good one. Good price, great location. Like I said, it's LaBelle, so you're still not far from, the beach. So, I mean, if you live here full time, I think this is the route to go if you're going to live here. Save yourself some money. You don't go to the beach every single entire day. This is a good a price range for start, like I said, start home, small family, just starting out, or you're retiring and cutting back, and you want to just save yourself some money and enjoy the community pool and not have to put yourself through the maintenance. So, anyways, check out this house if you're interested. $1,000,000floridateam.com. Book an appointment there, or you can also call or text us at 239-313-8975. Happy to show you this house or another one that fits your criteria. So thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.